as soon as we put her in it and she rode like across the garage, she went.
I thought you said she didn't like it, but
She loved it. She didn't like it at the thing because she didn't feel good. Come on, Bella, let's go outside.
how did you open this thing?
Put your head back.
She's smiling. Come on.
She's learned to look the way. Whoa!
I'm gonna fix something. Stop. Stop.
Put your head forward.
It's not inverted. She's hitting with the back of her head.
Upstairs in his crib is a bottle if you want it.
What the heck?
What's a bottle?
Joker.
Good, Bella.
Michaela, I'm so sorry you're bothered.
Come this way. Bella, come this way.
Those new wheels.
That's okay.
Come on. Where's mommy?
Come on.
Where's mommy?
You need to peek your head back a little bit to do it. She's tripping both of them. Head back a little
So
bit.
does that make it stop completely?
Mm-hmm.
All I'm getting is your bum. Oh, so happy. Come on.
Head back.
Come see me.
Did you invert it back?
Head back, babe.
Put your head back.
It
so
was
you can
never
go.
inverted. She was looking the other way and hitting with the back of her
Come on.
head, so she thought it was.
Head back, babe.
Come this way.
Let's go outside. Come on.
She's gonna get frustrated real quick.
Is it making you mad?
I like the select button or something.
You're moving your leg.
Do you beat the horn?
Want to see?
Or maybe. Maybe the horn? You want to beat the horn? Me?
There we go. Where do you want to sit out there?
Make her happy over here. Where's the big guy? Give me a hug.
Jake, or Bella, you gotta put your head
Oh,
the way you wanna go. There you go. Yeah.
Come here,
Stop.
Risa.
Now put your head back.
Come here.
Head back, Bella.
Come
She's going like this.
Middle.
Quiet.
Send
Let-
Jake.
just let her figure it out.
Jacob.
Did it stop
Come on,
again?
Bella. Come on. Let's go out here.
Wanna come outside with Daddy?
Come on.
Put your head back.
Let's go.
Oh, stop. Forward.
I gotta move the head. I wanna move the back, the go button forward. Head back, babe.
Shaky, shaky, shaky.
Are you so excited?
Head back.
Come on.
Did Jake fall? Yeah.
Give me you.
Run Jacob over.
Go outside.
Come on.
So nice.
While you're sitting on the floor, she's going to get you.
That's kind of scary.
You want me to hold your head?
Can you suction her though?
Yeah. Don't press anything.